Hey world, just wanted to quickly show you a project I did back in 2017. This is Game of Thrones board game 2nd edition, and these are my special boxes which I use for storage and for play. So as you can see, they are flush with the box, so it's a perfect fit. You can fit 8 of them for all the 8 houses, of course Targaryen included. Now I actually haven't made the Targaryen one since it will require some redesign, but I just wanted to show you how they all fit together. So let me show you the contents of one of them. I'll use House of Tyrell for example. So here's a quick look around. I've done some engraving on the back. And the first smart idea is to use the paravan for hiding your stuff to be the actual lid of the box. Here's how you open it. You just unfasten it from here, fasten it from here, and then just pull it to the side. Now here's the inside. Down here we have the knights, ships, the footmen, and of course the catapults on the side. How you take them out? Just plug your finger here and there you go. It's as easy as that. Your thumb here, or again your thumb here. So it's quite a tight fit for those figures. The power tokens are quite a bit easier. There's a space for a few more. Next we have the cards, and this is their storage position. I'll just take them out for a moment. On the back I have this tray for all the components or the tokens which will be needed during game, so you can take them out first, set them up on the map, and then you can put the cards back in, and you can store them either this way, vertically for easy reach, or even this way. And of course you have the orders here, the 5 different orders, 3 of each, easy to take out. Now, what do you do with a paravan now that you have this beautiful box? Well, here's what you can do. You can just insert it here like this. It's a really tight fit. And there we go. Now, what do you do with this box if you have Raven, or Iron Throne, or the Valyrian Steel? Where do you put them? There is a really smart thing, and that is both to show them to your opponent. So you can just insert them here, and there we go, and there we go. And so you can show them to everyone during the gameplay. If you need to mark one as plate, just rotate it back, and it fits right here. It's actually quite secure. I think this is really smart. If anybody can show me any better organizer on the planet, please feel free to link a description in the comments below. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.